Yeah, mate. What's in the box this time? Have a look together, eh? I'm hoping for a particular saw because I'm sore myself. I want something that runs a fresh chain, steel base, and a bit light. So hope it's in this box. Just a bit. I've got one more box after this. So there'll be 2 saws in here, I think. So we'll have a look what they are. See the banana tree behind me? I've been cutting leaves of the banana tree and feeding them to chooks. They seem to like them. They're hoeing them like a rabbit eats lettuce, which is quite interesting, I thought. Never tried chooks on banana trees before. I think grass is dying a bit because winter time in Australia. Yeah, 2 saws. What we got? This is what you get when you buy a variety pack. So if you go to Pharmatech and buy a variety pack, you buy 4 saws and you pick what you want, and this is how they send them to you. So what's this one here? Right, first one. No, can't see it. G225 I think it is. G255, yeah, okay, is it still? Have a look at it a sec. What's this one? Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I'll be keeping for myself. A G444. I'll have a look at that. I think we'll have a look at this one first. Yeah, they're more interested in the 444. I had one of these, had a full wrap handle. I don't like the wrap handles. It's no good for doing plywood, you use wrap handles. This one doesn't have one. The handlebars on that 444. Usual packaging. Pharmatech has really stepped up their game when it comes to packaging, which I find good. The book, super thick too. Wow. Don't know why it's so thick. I'm not seeing the box back. The grass is wet here. Those to get shorter. Fuel container. Won't use that. Toolkit. Basically nothing in it. There's a dog in there. So it's a dog. Saw. So make sure you're focused on this first. That's better. See what's going on. So I'll take the cover off. This is what I just want to see how this one went. I do have the original one in the shed. It's still the kit. I want to see how this goes first. One in the shed was the local council one up the Hunter Valley, and they put straight petrol for it. There we go, orange and grey. There you go, Jip. It's very nice, look at that. Top of the cover is a bit how you go when it comes to finish. Some dags on the plastic. Going in and get it off. There you go. Up, I assume. That full choke. Give me some room. There you go. Okay, to a cheap filler. That has to be updated. I don't like that. So I fit that fine into the saw. So before I use this, I'll look at the filler off the steel G50, 250 they call it, MS250. I'll use that instead of that because that will not work. I'll be selling this one, but I still want to know how it goes. Have a look at the clutch. Normally you've got a good looking clutch that's usually designed for good power. Can't see it, inboard clutch. Metal insert to the cover, it's alright. It'll do. They'll do pig, they'll do. I'll go to the one that I wanted to play with. The 70cc's, because the A44, it's nicely balanced and that, but it just seems to rev more than the A38. Or A30, MS 381. I like it better, fits better than there, but there's bits of plastic I need to trim on in there. Yeah, it's alright, have it there. Left it to him. Well, I like to pull those off to make sure they do come off. Because I have seen them snap when you first get them. It's alright. Alright, the next saw. Pull it up with the plastic in there now. Pull the wings up, the way. Thank you. Here, baby. Right. Next saw, one I want to play with. Suppose I'm going to focus you in this one. Rightio. I'll drop the camera a bit more so you can see this thing up on the floor. There you go. Grab that little bit of plastic. Plastic, more plastic. So a stand handlebar, which is a wide stand. It's the right size I find. They feel better on the hands in some respects than a Husky. Right there. And this back handle, I love the back one. The Boomerang clone, you have the of a C72 XP. The Boomerang handle is way too fat in your hand. You feel it sucks. It depends what you buy and what you want. But I want to have something that's comfortable. Otherwise, what's the point? So same thing. It's that one. Big thick book. There's nothing really in them actually. If you read them, all basically say the same. Might be one page different to the rest. It details what size motor and stuff like that. But I run them all 4 to 1. Little 2-stroke oil from the hardware shop. First is because it has a fuel stabilizer, and I don't care what anyone says. If it's got fuel stabilizer, it has to be doing something good for the motor. Because I find you can start them over a year or 2 years later, the fuel's still good. So I don't think Husky or still's got the next year or so. Yeah, I don't know. The cheap one seems to work, so I'll stick with that. It's a real dark green colour, like a swamp colour. So I call it swamp juice. Ah, orange and grey. Nice, that's what I wanted. I had the blue one before. I took that down to Aaron when I was in the hospital. Being very depressed. I kind of missed it also. That's why I got one. Nice. Nice. So I want something a little bit lighter on my arm and stuff like that. And I find this one will be alright. I'm going to do a sharpening on some chain soon. And I want to run something, it probably won't be this one because I need to run it in a bit. But I need to run on something that's comfortable to use. It's a lot lighter, so. Nicely made. I'll check that for grease soon. Start rubber, make sure your oils. Yep, it's alright. Yeah, Phil, what you got? Oh, foam one with a, not foam, one with a cover and anything like that. Didn't expect that. Okay. Even the G888 doesn't have this, which I found quite surprising. I get that off. Okay, so that's a, yeah, Phil. stuff stuck in there. It's a mesh inside. I don't know if I even like that really. I suppose it'll work, but no, I probably think the paper one different. Anyway, that's alright. That seems to quieten them down, that part there. I know the old still have the inside one and that there, but I know that part there a bit different. The pre-filter, get rid of all the big dust. But you have to try and suck through that though. God. And you've only got to have one little bit that's not covered up probably like that, to start sucking dust into the saw. So I'm not, actually I don't think we'll be using it. Has to be 100%. Or you got gaps there with elastic is. It's pretty good though, it's pretty tight fit. Then I'll try it out first though. So I think of that. Right side. Nice. I'm not a fan of these. I thought you get more rain. This is what we want, more rain. Okay, happy with that. That's the two saws. So I want to run this one too. Don't know if I'll do it today. I'll take some range very soon. I have other jobs to do. I bought the 395 XPs, Newtech and Pharmatech. I'm waiting for a tool to come from the lathe. They cut the base a lot more smoother. Still coming from China. When it does get here, we'll work on that. Gotta make a mandrel for the 58mm cylinder. But yeah, there it goes. I'm happy with that. It looks nice. No holes. The one I got the G466 got a hole in the guards here. Never looked at this one. It's alright. Bit of mud and the chooks. Yeah, happy with that. Alright guys, that's enough of my talking. Over and out, thank you for watching.